चलो
Hello guys, so today I am unboxing an Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K Max 16 GB Wi-Fi 6E for my for my dad. So let's get to the unboxing. Over here you got the whatever cool polling sticker.
for my baba.
Okay, so right out of the box, it's like this, and then you get your cable. They still do micro, whatever it's
Is it
called.
micro?
Yeah,
Oh,
they still do micro for some reason.
that's not good. I don't like this.
Okay, my dad doesn't like it. Okay, so this is the Fire Stick TV stick, whatever. Oh, they also gave us an HDMI, whatever thingy. And then finally, the cool stuff. The remote. Now let's open up the remote. I'm a pro at opening this. Okay, I didn't struggle. Okay, so this is the remote. Wait, let me go bring something for reference. The old one that we had and the new one we have.
वो बड़ा
Okay.
while Aslan is trying to locate things, if he can, I hope he can. There's the 4K Max, and the reason I got it is because Max is 16 GB memory, and they were giving me $10 discount, so it was essentially exactly the same price as a Fire Stick 4K, so that's why I got it. Another compartment, that is your, how much it is, it is not list right on, but they include 2 batteries and a 5-volt charger, power supply. Okay.
Okay. So this is the remote before. If you want to see it like this, so if you see there's way more buttons like shortcut hotkey buttons and stuff. And they finally have volume buttons. Okay, so yeah. And then we'll just now compare this. So they both have the adapter extender whatever. Yeah. So it's very different. But the thing is, they both still use USB micro, and the old ones, whatever you call it, connector,
Yeah,
is
dongle.
very big, and this one is like slim a little bit.
Okay, चलो wrap कर लो.
And thank you for watching our video. I hope you liked it. Please, okay, yeah, whatever. Please subscribe, and see you next time.